Chapter 18, Sloka 25. Anubandhanshayam himsam. Anubandhanshayam himsan. Anubandhanshayam himsan. Anavekshya cha paurusham. Anavekshya cha paurusham. Anavekshya cha paurusham. Anubandhanshayam himsam. Anavekshya cha paurusham. Anubandhanshayam himsam. Anaveksya 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 cha paurusham. Mohadarabhyate karma. Mohadarabhyate karma. मोहादारभ्यते कर्म यत्तत्तामसमुच्यते 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 मोहादारभ्यते कर्म 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 यत्तत्तामसमुच्यते अनुबन्धंशयं हिंसाम् अनवेक्ष्य च पौरुषम् मोहादारभ्यते कर्म यत्तत्तामसमुच्यते.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.